3, 2, 1, start. Thanks to the latest rollover of a $2 billion Chinese loan, there is apparently little to worry about the rupee's health till the end of March 2024. But the rupee's prospects in April-June 2024 may not remain as certain. Weak fundamentals of Pakistan's external economy, particularly growing external debt servicing requirements amidst no big hope for a sustainable boost to foreign exchange reserves, will surely keep the local currency under pressure. This will be happening under a weak coalition government at the center and equally weak governments in provinces, and amidst possibly high levels of political confrontation and chaos. New para. Steering the economy out of crisis will remain a big challenge for the elected federal and provincial governments, even if our powerful establishment manages to broker short-term sanity in the newly elected federal and provincial parliaments. One area of the economy where the federation and the provinces need to develop sufficient harmony in their relationships is agriculture. Agriculture needs to grow and grow fast to feed more than 240 million Pakistanis at responsible prices and to create increasingly large exportable surpluses to increase badly needed export earnings. But crops cannot offer better per hectare yields by a powerful executive order. They do so only when farmers across Pakistan are well taken care of and structural issues of agriculture are constantly addressed. New para. The same holds true for livestock and poultry and fishing and fish processing, two other key sub-sectors of agriculture. Besides, it is also important to address deep structural issues of agriculture constantly to ensure better performance of this sector. And that is not possible without sincere efforts by all stakeholders, including the farming community and the federal and provincial governments. Green Pakistan initiative, which seeks to revolutionize agriculture with the help of the armed forces and the promised partnerships of friendly countries, might be a good idea to pursue agricultural development. But its efficacy will be tested to the core under a weak coalition government at the center and coalition oblique majority governments of provinces working on the same page with the powerful establishment but with limited real political consensus. The end.